Welcome in, guys. One Group 7 love you. One Group 7 love you. This is a little topic about cell phone. It's talking to you while when you sleep. Yes, when you sleep. So this is what I have to say, guys. Careful of your phone. So when it's time for bed, leave your phone alone. Yes, guys, when it's time to go to sleep, leave your phone. Because 2 nights ago, I was asleep. I hear somebody talking. I thought it was the TV or the television talking. And when I realized what was talking to me, it was somebody else on the phone talking to me and said, watch him sleep, watch him sleep. And I tell you the honest truth, guys, I am not sleeping with my phone again in the same room. So I move out the phone and put the phone into the next room. Also, I move out the TV and put the TV in the next room with the phone. And them have a next thing called, I think is Siri or Siri, one of them, guys. You can comment in the chat the proper name for that. Is Siri or Siri, one of them things, guys, we talk. And I put all of them in the phone. I put Lexa too, because them have one in there called Lexa or Lexi, one of them. And I put both of them in the phone. So all of them can carry on a conversation party, because I'm not gonna sleep with my phone in the room again. I'm not sleeping with the TV in my room again. I'm not sleeping with no Alexa in my room again. And I am not sleeping with no Siri in my room again. So all 4 of them have them own room now, guys. So when I lock the door and say I am going to sleep, them can stay in the next room and party. And if any one of them decide say them are going to get up and open the door and come out and knock on my door and tell me if you open the door, and when me say who out there, me hear Alexa, TV, phone, me I go say wait. And Siri, me I go say wait. You know what? Only can take the house, cause guess what? I through the window me gone. I'm not even waiting 1 minute. I am going straight through the window, guys. Because when electronic start to talk back to you, start to watch you sleep, then something is not right. Definitely not right. Yes, something is definitely not right. So, I cannot understand what's going on, guys. I cannot understand. Definitely cannot understand what's going on. You see what I say, guys? I cannot